Welcome to Newsfu. Only the best news for you, senpai. The time is 1300 hours and today's date is June 28, 2021. Today we'll be taking a look at the front page of Hacker News. Today's opening headline is as follows: loneliness a bigger health risk than smoking or obesity. I've attempted to summarize this article. What is social prescribing? Prescribing exercise and art to NHS patients. Dance lessons for the lonely. On the NHS has the pandemic affected your mental health? Social prescribing creates a formal way for primary care services such as GPs to refer patients to a variety of non-clinical services. He plans to introduce an all-Wales framework to roll out social prescribing to tackle isolation. It is sometimes referred to as a community referral and often involves a link worker called a social prescriber, who helps design a package of services or activities. I think having access to a service like that, social prescribing, could have impacts on the mental and physical health of people on a personal level, as well as on a broader level. One user had this to say: greater than one woman who felt isolated in lockdown said loneliness was now a bigger health risk than smoking or obesity. So, this is the Hacker News of the article. No reference to any single study, despite all the research available on the topic. What a piece of anecdotal this article is. Pre-paw. The next article is JavaScript Is Weird. I've summarized this article as follows: a fun and tricky JavaScript. The top comment on this article was 0. 2 plus 0. 1 equals 0. 3 That's not really a JS problem, that's a floating point problem. Plenty of languages will have the same issue. Plus, dash, null, 0, plus 0. Calling these things weird is fair enough, but I can't h. The next article is Dear Google, public domain compositions exist. Here is a summary of this article. Of course, while the music is definitely in the public domain, new recordings can definitely be under copyright. Luckily for us, there's lots of that in the public domain. So the AI is good. The boundaries of what's fallen out of copyright depend on the country, but virtually everything published in the 19th century and earlier is free for everyone to use. One way to do this could be by producing a database of public domain compositions, a sort of public domain flagger to face off against the copyright flagger, but this would be a difficult undertaking. What a shame. Here's what the comments are saying: 3 copyright strikes and Google may delete your entire channel, while they continue to allow, and support via their contented service, an unlimited number of patently fraudulent claims from accounts that are obviously just spamming claims to see how much ad revenue t. The next article is why computing students should contribute to open source software projects. I've attempted to summarize this article: the flipped classroom. The Mythical Man Month. GR is a professor of software engineering in the Department of Management Science and Technology at the Athens University of Economics and Business, Greece, and a professor of software analytics in the Department of Software Technology at the Delft University of Technology, the Netherlands. The course is also a recommended elective for the university's Department of Informatics. The Open Hacker News contribution assignment counts for 50% of the course's grade. The most common problems faced by the students over their assignment are the inability to build the project, typically due to inexperience and platform incompatibilities, and a lack of communication by the project's team. Students get needlessly anxious, thinking that their work must be integrated into the project. A popular comment on this article was greater than in the 21st century programming proficiency on its own is neither presentative of the skills that the marketplace requires from computing graduates, nor does it offer the strong vocational qualifications it once did. Universities are not vocational education facilities though. Time eschewed. That is the end of the news summary. Do you want to know more? Today's discussed articles are linked in the YouTube description. Today we are sponsored by no one. We should really get a sponsor. Now for something different. I analyzed 4chan and found the most discussed crypto coins, the top discussed cryptocurrencies on BizChan Arieth with 16 mentions. Bust with 4 mentions. Link with 3 mentions. BTC with 3 mentions. XRP with 3 mentions. Wall Street Bets most popular discussed stocks in the last day on Wall Street Bets. GME, low 4, high 483, Wish, low 8, high 33, A, low 86, high 148, Clove, low 6, high 29, BB, low 4, high 29, Robinhood most discussed Robinhood stocks. 52-week, high, low SNDL, low 0, high 4, MSFT, low 194, high 268, all, low 11, high 26, NOC, low 3, high 10, BB, low 4, high 29, SPACs popular stocks based on trading volume and market cap, SPCE, IPOA, MPLN, CEO, 3 ETFs popular ETFs based on trading volume and market cap, SQQQ, QQQ, UFC, VIX, SPY. FONG stonks. The 5 most prominent American technology companies are as follows: 52-week, high, low Apple, low 88, high 145, NFLX, low 432, high 593, Bijou, low 115, high 355, Google, low 1352, high 2462, FB, low 207, high 345. I hope this video was better than yesterday's. There is only on eCoder Building Me. I am taking it step by step. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. I must become stronger. Thank you for listening, senpai. I will leave you with some advice I read once. Remember what Mui once said. One day your life will flash before your eyes.